address the elephant in the room, the privacy and security considerations, right? So let's talk about that. So in our case, we use our IP author platform. We connect it to ChatGPT through its secure API. So this is a fee-based service that ChatGPT provides, where you pay a certain fee to OpenAI for on a per word basis. And this is a secure connection. It's an API. Okay, so what OpenAI has committed and the agreements we have signed with them say that the servers are based in the US. The API inputs are not used for model training or any other service improvements on the side of OpenAI. So they are not going to use our data for any service improvements, right? Or they are not going to incorporate them into the model, nothing of that sort. So if you use the free version and you opt in for, which I think by default you're opted in, if you use the free version and you opt in, your data may be used for model training. But we use the API version, and there is it's enterprise quality. It runs on the Microsoft Azure cloud, and very limited users have access to this data, and they only use it for abuse or crash analysis type of use cases, and very limited number of their employees or contractors have access to this information. So that is the agreement that they have in place. So it's it's enterprise quality agreement. For example, if you use Office 365, Google Cloud or Google Docs or any of those types of cloud-based technologies for your patent process, you basically are running the same level of risk, right? Our servers are also based in the US. So our applications, our servers are based in the US. We run them either on our private cloud or on Amazon AWS. We've been working for over 20 years with Fortune 500 companies, and we have very strong data security and physical security standards. We have a very strong agreement that we will be happy to share with you on our processes and our controls, right? So we have, so this is how it works. You provide your inputs and edits, and then this history of interactions is stored on our servers. We connect via the API to ChatGPT, get the results back, and then also conduct the prior art search, etc., and send the results back to you for your review. You can review this information. You can export the drafts and use them for your needs, right? So all the connections are secure. All the data is stored securely. So we believe that the risk is not very high. You're not doing any kind of public disclosure. You're not really, doing any kind of export. You are not. The data security is quite tight, and the company that runs OpenAI is basically 49% owned by ChatGPT company. OpenAI is 49% owned by Microsoft. So we believe that the risk of these aspects that are on top of your mind are reasonably low at this point already.